Good morning, guys! Monday ulit. Magkakape tayo. Yes, I'm still using my kopi ko. Pero, this time, first time ko siyang gagamitin na half lang. Kasi, suggestion ni Sis Dixie, A Chic Life. Hello, sis. Sabi niya, consume lang daw half. Hindi ko naisip yun before. Kasi ako, kapag na-open na, nilalagay ko na lahat sa ano. Kasi, di ba sabi ko sa previous video ko na nagpapalpitate ako. And I think this is the reason. So, try natin minimize. Half lang. Di makakasave pa tayo nito. Di ba? Kasi dadalawahin eh. Mahal pa naman dito sa Australia, tapos magpapalpitate ka pa. Gising na kami ni Baby Celine. Ang ating Daddy Mike at ang ating Ate Paris ay tulog pa. Nakapaglinis-linis na ako dito, guys. Last night, sobrang late ko rin natulog. Kasi nilinisan ko yung kabilang kwarto. Today, ano bang gagawin natin today? Oh, it's already hot. Oh my God, I'm sweating already, guys. Close kaya natin to. Kaya lang madilim man siya. Uy, i-close after natin mag-vlog. I-close natin kasi yung heat from the glass window, napakainit. Sobrang aga pa, tapos pinagpapawisin ka na. Eh, dito talaga, hindi ka maano, ang tawag dito. Yung sa Melbourne ako, medyo, ang tawag ito, pang bloated or something. But dito kasi, parang consistent yung pagpapawis mo kahit hindi ka nag-workout. So, hindi ka, talaga na sobrang, mag-retain ng water sa katawan. Yun lang yung napansin ko. Kasi never ever, kaya sa Melbourne ay sobrang white din ang skin ko. Kaya may nagsasabi na, ano daw ginagamit ko kasi maputi yung skin ko. Here, it's different na, guys. Hindi na masyadong puti yung skin ko dito kasi nakikita ako ng araw every single day. Alam niyo naman, we're always outside. Napakainit ng araw. The other day, nag-walking lang kami at alam niyo ba, ewan ko kung kita pa ba, tingnan niyo, may tan lines sa si mami niyo. Grabe yung strong ng araw nila dito na kahit maglakad ka lang, kailangan mo talagang mag-sunscreen kasi grabe yung init. Nagmarka talaga yung ng shirt ko dito, oh. Sa Melbourne kasi maginaw. So palagi kang naka coat. Kung hindi doble, triple pa yung damit mo. So hindi ka talaga makikita ng araw. Kaya maputi yung skin. But dito, brown si mami niyo dito kasi always kaming nagmi-meet ni Mr. Stan. Always nga akong tinitis si Daddy Mike. Sinasabi niya na nagpaturok daw ako ng lutatayon, ganito, ganyan, na nasa Melbourne kami. Kasi yung mga kapatid ko, guys, obviously nasa Pinas sila, mainit din. So yung skin nila is darker talaga kumpara sa akin. And always niya akong binibiro na nagpapaturok daw ako ng gluta, which is never ever in my whole life na nagpaturok ako ng gluta, guys. Yung mga gamit ko lang talaga is yung pang external lang, yung mga lotion and everything. Yun lang talaga. Wala talaga yung mga tusok-tusok, mga ganyan, no? Never kong na-try, and I don't think I'll ever try. Our baby Celine is now watching. We'll ask her kung ano yung pinapanood niya. Good morning! What are you watching?
Policeman Australia.
Policeman? Oh, is that Sheriff Labrador? Do you like that one?
It's having Halloween.
You love the Halloween? Oh, are you scared?
Yes.
Oh, George!
There's a snake. There's a snake.
Oh, there's a snake now. Oh my goodness. Say hi sa tita, be.
No, blood. There's blood. There's
Say
the
good
house.
morning. Where's Ate?
I started to see
Ate still sleeping? Were you awake? You awake early? Where's Daddy?
Daddy's sleepy.
Sleeping as well. Is it just you and me awake? I have to go to school pala.
There's Bunny.
Oh yeah, Bunny and Snake. Tawagan ko yung childcare niya kasi ibubuk ko siya para sa kanyang trial this week. Kasi next week we're going to school.
Right.
Go see friends.
The friends.
Yes, next week.
The Baba. No friends.
Yeah. So any day this week ay dadalhin natin si Baby CELINE sa childcare for a trial. So 1 hour na ipapasok namin siya, but we will wait outside. Pasok namin siya and see how she goes for that 1 hour. Tawagan ko yung school to check kung ano yung best day na dalhin namin siya doon. Alam niyo ba guys, meron pang a bit of yes, friends hiccup kasi 'di ba nag-apply kami for government subsidy para sa childcare na Baby CELINE. So yan yung ginagawa dito guys. You apply for sa government para they will help you with the childcare fee. So yung childcare fee ni Baby CELINE is $150 per day. So
Mommy, I hear.
yes, honey. So nag-apply kami, you know, like provided every details na kailangan nila. And based sa situation namin, guys, the result came back. They gave us 36 hours per fortnight na subsidized hours for Baby CELINE. So subsidized lang yun ha. Hindi yun siya fully free na days. Parang ano na lang tawag dito, may percent na kinuha sila. So hindi full fee. Hawin, yeah. Hindi full fee yung babayaran namin. Where's the remote? So, it means, kasi yung hours ni Baby CELINE sa childcare ay 9 hours, guys, per day. 36 hours divided by 9 is 4 days. So, it means, in a week, 2 days lang yung subsidized.
I want to ship a future tea.
This one, Grinch? Medyo na ako guys kasi nga 'di ba in-enroll ko siya ng 3 days diyan sa childcare. So, alam niyo ba kung anong ibig sabihin nun guys? Is 2 days lang yung may tulong from the government, but yung extra day is kailangan naming bayaran in full, which is $150 a day. Yun ang nasasabi ko before guys, diba, na hindi ganun kadali. May mga nagsasabi na may childcare naman pala, na may tulong yung gobyerno, bakit hindi ba ako bumalik ng work? So this is the reason why guys. So now, I'm still looking for a job. Pag na-change yung situation namin guys, for sure, ma-change din yung result, diba? Kasi at the moment, wala pa akong work. Still looking, yung nilagay ko sa application na still looking for job. So, yun lang yung binigay nila sa amin, 36 hours. So, I think later on, pag nakahanap na ako ng trabaho, I will update the government na may work na ako. They probably increase the hours. But at the moment, nag-usap kami ni Daddy Mike kasi sabi ko, alam nga namang 2 days lang namin i-enroll siya ngayon, so i-drop namin yung other day, right? Pero pag nag-apply ako ng work, kung 2 days lang siya sa childcare, then 2 days lang din yung mag-work ko, which, you know, yung ina-apply ko ngayon is I'm trying to do like 3 days a week. So, napag-isipan namin, napag-desisyonan namin ni Daddy Mike na yun na lang yung gawin namin. So, kahit na 2 days a week lang yung subsidized, we'll have to like out of pocket yung extra day, full day namin babayaran. Which is, you know, it's very annoying, but we have to do what we gotta do, right? Kasi yun nga yung sinasabi ko guys, kapag ganito, day ni Baby CELINE is $150 sa childcare. Tapos ako, pag nag-work ako, very similar lang naman yung kinikita ko in a day. Especially pag, part-time lang. So, yun yung sinasabi ko na, bakit ako parang stress na bumalik ng work, kung ganito lang naman na, parang yung kita ko ay binabayad ko lang ng childcare. But, Oh my God. Anyways, alam nyo yun, na-stress ako ng lunch, guys, eh. Yung pinag-uusapan lang natin yun, stress ako. But yeah, we just have, as what I said, we just have to do what we gotta do. So, 3 days pa rin namin siyang enroll. We just have to pay full day para sa 3rd day niya. Para pag nakahanap ako ng trabaho, hopefully, very soon, ay ma-increase din yung time niya and hindi namin kailangang bayaran ng full yung 3rd day niya. But they're really good, yeah? Like the 2 days na inano nila for a week, they, I think, half price lang ata yung babayaran namin. In 1 day, half price. So, isn't that right, honey? So, sa ngayon, while I'm still looking for a job and waiting for, you know, calls for interviews and all, you know, I will get myself busy na lang with my business, dito sa bahay, you know naman, yung mga, selling ko, di ba? So, makikita pa rin si mami niyo. Hoping I'll get a job soon. Para yung childcare ba, ma-increase yung hours. Kasi, yeah, it's really not worth it, guys. Grabe, mag-work ako tapos bayad ko lang sa childcare. Ako na lang magbantay kay CELINE. No, may business naman ako dito sa, sa bahay. But, yeah, yung iniisip din naman namin is it's good for baby CELINE. Mag-start na siyang mag-socialize with other kids, out, learn something. Kasi, kung tutuusin, school din naman yan kasi they're learning something. Diba? So it really, it really helps her to go. Yeah? Do you like the Grinch? Walang ba siya, mama? Ay, I love you, anak. I love you. Kisa si mama. Kisa si mama. Mwah! Love you so much. Pep. Nabi, Nabi, Pop, pop, mama. That's good. I just want to check, is Joe or Tash available today?
I don't know. Just give me a second.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, that would be great, please.
Okay, give me a second.
Thank you. Yeah, is tomorrow
It's
okay?
overnight.
Yes.
Yes, definitely, yeah.
Great.
I can let the girls know. Definitely.
Thank you so much, Miss Marie. I appreciate it.
Alright,
Thank you. See you tomorrow. Unbox natin tong binili ni Daddy Mike sa akin for Christmas na ring light.
I don't think it was for Christmas.
It was for Christmas.
Oh.
Huh?
I think it was just because I like it. I don't think it was for Christmas though.
No, this time. Sana all yan.
I wanted to get you the drone for Christmas. I don't think it was that.
This is one of her gifts. Kasi mag-ano ko guys, pag-unbox ko mamaya tapos madilim ba sa labas. I think it's gonna, right? Sa labas ko to.
Mickey Mouse?
Knock, you change your mind? It's the other way. The other one. Good girl. Bilis mag-change ng mind, nagsuot ng sparkly na shoes na.
Mickey Mouse.
Ganyan pala siya. Baliktad.
Broke it, mommy.
Broke it already. Oh my goodness, mommy. Well done, Lynn. Ready to go, Ling Ling. Suot na siya kasi lalabas sila ng tatay niya. Walking na sila sa cafe.
Coffee.
Oh, this is where I play. Kind like this.
I'm gonna make a house. A house, Minis.
Linis.
It's hot.
Oh, this is where it's Baba. This one?
Yes. You have Daddy? You have Mommy?
Mommy's done it already.
Sure, my love. I got it.
It's so small.
It's so small, It's so small,
Stop!
Stop it, Mama.
Stop!
Mommy, stop it. Stop it.
After when you come home from...
I make a house.
That is very
Like
clear.
the house.
Need
Like
help?
that.
Need help?
Ah, okay. So you can actually,
Need help?
ang dami namang mga
Mama,
shape
need
kasama.
help?
It's okay, malablab. Mama's okay na, okay? Thank you.
Need help? So I can do unboxing.
Oh, but
So guys, when I come back from from Tommy's to home, we're gonna be unboxing my necklace.
Alright. Hold daddy hands. Wait. I'm gonna go get coffee. Love you, sweetheart. Hold daddy. Careful, please, when you're crossing the road. Nakaalis na yung mag-ama ko, guys. Bibili sila ng kape. Tapos, bibigyan ako ng time ni Danny Mike kasi may gagawin akong unboxing. So, while nasa labas sila, I'll just do my skincare. So, naghilamos na ako. And then, ayan, ang aking Eskinol. Tapos, mag-toner tayo. So, ito yung ginagamit ko na toner at the moment. Ayan yung sabi ko na nagamit. Yan, kitang-kita nyo naman ang aking friendship na melasma. Ayaw akong iwan. Ayaw akong tantanan. Ayan. Sana may forever sa melasma. What I really like about this one, guys, is very, fast absorbing. So, dry siya kaagad ba? Absorb siya kaagad, ganyan. Hindi siya mag-oil-oil. So, the next one I've got is, kasi set to siyang binili ko sa Korea. So, I've got this, this one naman ay Essence. So, as mentioned, fast absorbing siya. So, okay, kaagad na mag-apply ako ng something on top of it. I think water-based to siya kasi wala akong maano na oil or something. Yung gagamitin ko is itong cream. Ayan. The same brand din to siya, guys. Anjo. 24 karat gold. Wow, grabe. 24 karat gold. After that, ay mag-sunscreen lang. Asan na ba yung sunscreen ko? This is the Gimia. Padry lang natin ang konti ito eh. Nasa bahay lang. Sunscreen pa rin. Very important. I learned my lesson the hard way. Although yung aking melasma naman is hormonal, guys. Hindi yung araw. Like, although, nag-worsen siya kapag nasisigatan ng araw. Massage. Ganyan. Pipick upin ko ang ating family, guys. Kasi naglakad sila, di ba? Bumili ng kape, tapos inulanan. Kawawa naman, oy. Andun sa labas. Ay, gosh, kaluoy sa mga backpin. Palabas pa more. Yung tatay kasi nila, alam nyo naman yan, guys. Very, labas. Ayan, inulanan. Ashush! Ayan, kaluoy sa mga bata, oy. Look. Ayush! How did you go?
Good.
Did you get rained on? How did you go coming here? Was it raining?
Huh?
Was it raining when you came here?
No.
Oh, Gigi!
See you.
You see me?
Yeah.
Wow!
Of course you see her.
Celine, si Dudong.
Oh my goodness. Did you do a dong dong?
Tuloy nito dong.
Bro, let's get done.
Tuloy nito dong.
Mommy, we played the
Remember
game
Smelly Bum?
like remember the one on the side. We played the game on the side there. We played it. Daddy said, "How many dollars?" I said, "How many dollars is it, Daddy?" He said, "2." Wow, I'm lucky.
Did you have coffee? Oh my
And
goodness,
then I
yummy.
said,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
lucky I have $2.
How about seatbelt on?
But I
Did you have
didn't.
coffee, baby?
But I didn't spend it, so Tommy just give me extra 6 turns for me
Really?
because it's now my birthday
Oh,
birthday present.
lucky girl.
Some mermaid.
What tayo ng lunch? Corn thins, multigrain. Then, tuna. Tapos ako nagluto ako ng kanin, guys. Tapos, yung longganisa. Kaninang umaga, sobrang bright sa labas, diba? Nung nag-start ako ng vlog. Ngayon, sobrang dilim na naman. Hindi mo maintindihan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako lugar. Pero hindi na siya umuulan, which is good. Hindi ba? Kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan, kaya kailangan kong pick upin yung tatlo. Ayan. Ate, do you want cheese on yours lang?
Yeah.
Tapos kay baby Celine, I have
Magkano ito tagdang babo?
radish.
Radish.
That's all na to, Daddy.
What's that back?
Sit there. Give a bite.
Ito ko na.
Guys, I'm from the gym.
Yes. Mama's home from holidays.
And he's cooking beef.
Smell good?
Ayan. Nagwawa din siya ng ano dito. Oh. Slow cook. What's this here? Oh, is that for this one, Bob?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Beef
Oh,
from Bali.
smells good.
Beef from Bali.
Barley.
Have you had Bali before?
Barley?
Yeah. It's like the rice.
Ah. Ah, yeah. Meron pa akong naiwan nito, bes, oh. Bakit pa nandalim? Uy. Pulburon. That's better.
I'm gonna do the clothes once I finish making these. We're gonna do clothes inside or outside in the garage?
Garage.
Garage first? So we're gonna get the girls downstairs.
Wala kang play outside as well. Kasi kanina, yun lang yung paglabas nila
That's the
kanina.
Bali.
Hindi, wala kaming labas today.
See the little pieces popping up?
Yeah, wheat.
Sort of, yeah.
Nag-unbox kami ni Ate Paris, guys, ng padala sa kanya. Ate! Show. So you might watch the unboxing first before this video. But yeah. Come. Come. Beautiful. Do you like it?
Can I have one?
See if you like it. What is it you want, Tony?
Mama.
It's for your nails.
What nice minis?
I don't think this stuff anymore. No, it's not sticky anymore, honey. This one. Big one. Well, show. Kakagising lang nito from her nap, oh. Big girl ni Mama, oy! Dumating yung sapatos na binili ko for Ate Paris, guys. Galing AliExpress. Ayan. So, we'll try kung magkasya ba siya. We also have socks here. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ay, bata nagkaupol mo ron. So, we'll see kung maganda ba tingnan, babe. Kasi, cheap naman lang tong sapatos na to, guys, from AliExpress. Gusto ko lang siya i-try, diba? Kasi pang, ano niya ba?
Another unboxing.
Pang,
Well, we got this one first.
the second pair niya. This perfect, honey. Bibili tayo ng, ano yung, oh, perfect lang. Wow!
Look at Mom.
Baby, the other side is one. See?
Super long.
Sneeze up. Knee high.
Needle.
Oh, I got the perfect size na, ano, shoes. See? Look. Oh, diba? Wow, ready na for grade 1. Show daddy ko.
Daddy, look.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
I love that song.
That's nice. This is actually cheap, you know? But see, I don't think this is leather as well. That's probably why it's cheap, but it's good. Bibili tayo ng ano niya, bago din niya na yung maganda yung quality. This one is for ano lang to.
Can I leave the socks on?
Pangalawa niya ba? Dito kami sa garage, guys, kasi gagawin namin yung sinabi ni Daddy Mike the other day. So we're gonna put like pricing on ayan, everything na nasa rack. You know? And so annoying, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yung phone ko, ito yung gamit ko ngayon sa pag-vlog. It's broken, guys. The back glass is broken. The whole thing. Kasi I was putting like a box sa ano tawag yun, sa bin, and I dropped it sa floor. Wala pa namang cover kasi di ba naiputan kahapon. Very malas pala talaga, guys, kasi yung aking ano. Ay, Lord. Di okay pa naman yung camera. Goodness. Ayokong magpa-fix kasi mahal. Lalo na kung bili ng bago. Oh my God. Goodness. Ito na yung nagawa namin, guys, after, ano ba? Ang oras na ba?
No, what's that?
Ayan. Sinegregate na. Alam niyo ba, idea talaga ito ni Daddy Mike. Kaya tingnan niyo. Ayan. Yung mga price na. Ito for kids. Ito tops, dresses there. Mga bottoms dito. Ayan. Yeah, mas organized na siya.